Hello, guys. It is your girl, Dallas Gordon, coming right back at you with yet another eBay Success dropshipping video. And today we are talking about eBay dropshipping from Amazon, and should you dropship from Amazon, how you should dropship from Amazon, and many of your frequently asked questions are going to be answered in this video today. So if you guys don't know me yet, my name is Dallas Gordon. I am an expert business coach with focus in e-commerce as well as a motivational speaker, and I am here to help you succeed with online business, guys. Okay, so before we get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are enjoying the value that I give here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop me a comment below, and we are going to get this show on the road. So today, guys, we are talking about dropshipping from Amazon.com onto eBay using the eBay.com platform. So let's talk about that. So first of all, should you use Amazon.com to dropship? I'm going to talk to you guys from my own personal expertise and experience. So I do use Amazon.com, guys, to dropship on eBay. One thing that I would say is that you have to be careful when you use retailers like Amazon.com for the purposes of dropshipping, guys, and you have to be careful not to overuse these platforms. I definitely would suggest that you would have like more than one account. A lot of my students, I tell them to have more than one retail account just in case something happens. And Amazon is not somewhere that I drop ship often. The reason I don't is because if you overuse their account and use a million different addresses and you're doing large volumes from that account, it is very possible that they will suspend your account. You're really technically not supposed to use Amazon Prime for the purposes of drop shipping products. So you do have to be very careful with overusing the platform to drop ship. But can you use it? Yes. Is it a reliable source to drop ship items from? Yes. If you are going to drop ship items from Amazon.com, I would suggest that you use Prime items, only items that Amazon actually houses themselves in the FBA warehouses. So that way you can ensure that your customers will get these products within a couple days. There is a free trial available for Amazon Prime, but if you're going to be doing this frequently, I would suggest that you pay the yearly fee. Last time I think we paid it here, it was about 90 something bucks. Being a Prime member comes with all kinds of perks, guys. Okay, we use it for Fire Stick TV and all kinds of things I'm not going to get into, but there are a lot of perks with being an Amazon Prime member. So if you're going to be doing this frequently, I would suggest that you sign up, guys, for Amazon Prime, and that you only list items to eBay that you know that are Prime items, that Amazon can personally handle your items and get them out to your customers quickly. Another thing, you want to make sure that when you drop ship an item from Amazon that you are marking that item as a gift. Most items have a gift receipt that you can include with the order, and that lets Amazon know that you don't want a receipt to go out with the package to your customer. So that's another tip about drop shipping from there. Another tip about drop shipping from Amazon to eBay is to make sure that you check those inventories. If something says only a few left, only 2 left, only 1 left, you might not want to list that item to your eBay account because most likely you're wasting your time. It's going to go out of stock soon and it's not going to be available to your customer. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's 100% okay to drop ship from Amazon to eBay, but I would say use it in moderation. Don't do it all the time. I've heard of some sellers getting applying for tax exempt status from Amazon so that they don't have to be charged taxes. I do have tax exempt status with some other retailers, but not Amazon yet. Once I find out more information about that, guys, I can come back and talk to you more about that. With Prime, before I go, you get lots of perks such as free 2-day shipping. Sometimes they even ship to my customers within 1 day. They always provide a tracking number, and it's a very reliable way to drop ship to your customers. Just be careful, guys, and do so with moderation. So once again, guys, this is Dallas Gordon coming at you with Amazon eBay drop shipping from Amazon to eBay. If you guys have any questions about using Amazon for drop shipping, feel free to drop them below. You guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.